Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna get right into it. So I'm just doing my eyebrows. Disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. Don't come for me. This is just how I do my daily routine. Eyebrows and mascara or whatever. So this is pretty much a get ready with me, no foundation. I'm just doing my eyebrows, my eyelashes, throwing a little glitter on my eyelids, and you guys will see how the final result looks. Once I'm all done, again, no foundation. So right here I'm using an eyebrow pencil in the color black brown. I believe the pencil is from, I don't want to lie to you guys, but I think it's NYX. But yeah, I'm just filling in my brows, shaping it, giving it a little more width. And I don't usually use concealer underneath, but I feel like right here I was kind of not getting them to look like twins, and that was my goal today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up where I feel like I messed up. Yeah, so today is my pop-up event in Tampa, and on my eyelids right here I am using a eye glitter from a company called Crown. I bought this at a hair show that I attended in June in Orlando. I'll leave the information down in the description. And right here I'm using a NYX highlighting palette. It's a highlight contour palette, I believe, or highlight bronzer palette. I'll also leave that information down in the description. I think this was a gift. So again, I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't have all the brushes, that you would use. So I just use one brush to do everything, but I get the job done. You'll see. So yeah, I'm just applying some highlight to my nose bridge, to my cupid's bow, and I'm using NYX matte eyeliner. This is how an amateur applies their eyeliner. This is how I do it. I try to do it as like the makeup artist, but I always mess up. And I do have a mold there. I'm actually just enhancing it. So right here, I am just adding a little more glitter to make it pop, because this is a no foundation look, so we want everything to pop in the eyes and the brows as much as possible to kind of throw off the fact that we don't have any foundation on. And I'm using the same color that I used to highlight my nose bridge and my cheekbone in the corner of my eyes from my NYX palette. Time for my favorite part, put some lashes on. So this glue that I'm using is Eye Envy. I'm not too fond of this glue, but I have it. And this is my Marley twist. If you guys want to see a tutorial, leave a comment down below and I'll see if I can get that video up for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush all my hair back, because I'm going to go ahead and tie it up. I don't want any baby hair so much, so I'm just brushing everything back to make it look neat. Now, these Marley twists, I did them myself, the invisible root method. I did them about a week and a half ago. And when I do my hair, because I take my hair out and I'm a hairstylist, I do my hair so often, I never really do it for it to be neat. I kind of want it to look effortless. I like when it looks a little old, especially when I do the invisible root method. So, yeah, I'm just putting my hair up, getting it out the way, getting myself together. Yeah. Yeah. So time to put these lashes on. I love wearing lashes. It just enhances my entire look, especially since I'm not wearing foundation, but even more when I do wear foundation. It just makes everything like pop. I usually do drastic and dramatic lashes, but because I'm promoting my natural hair product, I just want to keep everything looking as natural as possible, with a little enhancement, of course. Oh, these lashes is on. You can't tell me nothing. I'm just fixing them, and putting some mascara underneath my lashes to make it look a little full, and also to blend my real lashes with the falsie. Wait, there's more. So I'm adding mascara to my bottom lashes. Am I the only one who makes this face when I'm adding mascara to my bottom lashes? But I am excited that I'm done. So time to put some lips on. This is NYX Morocco matte lips. I'm trying to think, should I put a lip liner on? Nah. So yeah, just go ahead straight into it. I love this color. It's almost done. I need to re-up. It complements my skin tone and it's so bomb. Do you guys see like my no foundation routine? Yeah. What? Yeah, what? So this is some earrings from Forever 21. This is some necklaces from H&M. And I'm using Mario Badescu on my face. This is gonna be like my setting spray. I use this on my face daily before I go to sleep, any time of the day. It just gives me a dewy look. Good morning, people. So I am on to my third pop-up event. Well, who's counting? But yeah, I'm so excited and I feel awesome. Pop-up event in Tampa. Check out my A Curl's Dream page for details and address if you're interested in showing up. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Until next time.